Hi there, my name is Diamond, and I want to talk to you about the power of transformation. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that you're about to do something you love. That's what it feels like when you become an entrepreneur. I understand the struggle of working a job that doesn't fulfill you just to collect a paycheck that never really seems like enough. I was in that position myself until a few years ago. But when my job disappeared due to circumstances outside of my control, I found my true passion for entrepreneurship. Most of what I learned was self-taught through a combination of long hours on YouTube University, pursuing my visual communications degree, and a wide range of expensive Band-Aid fixes. Throughout my extensive learning process, I felt like I had pieces of the puzzle, but I had no idea how to put it all together. There was no clear path to success. But I never wanted other aspiring entrepreneurs to go through what I went through. So I created the Solopreneur's Guide to Entrepreneurial Success, a comprehensive DIY guide to turning your passion into a successful business. My guide covers everything from idea validation to building a brand to establishing an online presence where you own your audience, not algorithms. I know you may be worried about losing all of your savings or not being able to generate enough income to support yourself and your family. But let me ask you this. If you invest time, money, and effort into growing a business you're passionate about, you will in essence be taking a chance on yourself, believing in yourself. And how could you ever regret that? I'm offering more than just a guide. When you enroll in my course, you'll become a part of a supportive community of like-minded individuals who are all working towards the same goal. And every week, I'll be there to answer your questions live. You'll have the confidence and self-compassion that you need to overcome your fears and achieve your goals. So if you're ready to turn your dreams into a reality, invest in yourself. Enroll in the Solopreneur's Guide today. You'll get the tools, support, and accountability you need to make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. So join me. Let's transform your life together.